Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker or a soundbar to your Amazon Fire Stick. So to do this on your soundbar or speaker, you want to go to the Bluetooth option. So for mine, all I have to do is press the source button on my remote and scroll through the sources and go to BT. Right here it says Bluetooth and it says Bluetooth ready. So it is in the sync or pairing mode. Now all I have to do is go over to settings on the home screen of the Fire Stick and go down to controllers and Bluetooth devices. Then go on down to other Bluetooth devices. Select this and go to add Bluetooth devices. Now if your device is in the Bluetooth pairing mode, it should pop up under this screen. If it doesn't, you could try restarting the device and re-syncing it or putting it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So here's my Samsung soundbar. Let's go ahead and press the dial button in on the Samsung soundbar and connect and pair the device. Now it says it's connected and it's given us a description of what it's connected to. Now let's go over to a video and just see if this is working. So let's go to YouTube. So here is my other channel. Let's just see if there's any sound on it. Alright, so I can hear the sound coming out of my Bluetooth soundbar, and I'm able to operate it with the volume controls on my remote. So this was very easy to do. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.
Now you'll notice display chat, display activity, and overlay position is grayed out with the PS View.